Our company desires to make a high-quality, early warning network of fire protection for your home. The minimum codes and the minimum products are just that. They're the minimum. The experts require the minimum, but all the codes recommend more protection, better protection, and more coverage for our homes. People upgrade their floors, their appliances, their countertops, and much more. In fact, the average homeowner will spend thousands on a refrigerator that will only last a few years and only protect a few $100s worth of food at a time. But they think the alarms that came free with their house is all they really need to protect the lives of their family from a fire that happens when you least expect it. I love the way we do business. First, we only go where we're invited, and there's no obligation to purchase anything for the education we provide. Along with safety checklists, exit drills, and safety instructions, we demonstrate our products, and in most cases, the customer gets to touch and see our products. Not like the internet, where you can get something you didn't bargain for. Our dealers recommend the best protection, and the homeowner gets to decide what level of protection they need to fit their home. One of the biggest misconceptions that the public has is that they cannot have a fire, and another is that they think they have time to escape. And I believe the worst is they don't realize there are better solutions than the minimum. Our products can only be acquired through factory-certified, independent, authorized dealers, and we offer something that cannot be bought in the store or on the internet. That's because our products are the Rolls-Royce of fire alarms, but just as valuable is our education and awareness information. It's a safe estimate that over 80% of homeowners haven't had any fire safety training since they were in elementary school. And I took an algebra class in high school and in college, but I dare say I don't recall most of it. And the last time I saw fire awareness was in elementary school. So unfortunately, 9 out of 10 homes that our distributors go into don't have a meeting place, have never actually practiced a fire drill, don't check their current alarms, and the majority of them have the least expensive contractor-grade minimum technology with dead or missing batteries, disabled wired-in alarms, and in most cases, the alarms are well past the 10-year replacement date. Along with the best products, our dealers offer proper placement by factory-certified installation, a lifetime fire replacement, and the best lifetime product replacement guarantee in our industry. Our dealers charge a one-time price instead of a monthly monitoring fee that lasts forever. And our one-time price can be spread out over monthly payments. But once the terms are met, the protection is the family's. Our product is totally portable. And what I really love about it is it goes with the family, not the house.